Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math, question number 18. When we are solving a question, I don't suggest you to go through the whole question before you start to solve it. I prefer you guys to solve it sentence by sentence, just like me. So in a group of 1,088 children, total number of children 1,088. 256 are girls. So the number of girls here, 256. It's quite easy for us to get the number of boys, which is 1,088 minus 256. We use the calculator. 1,088 minus 256. Number of boys here, 832. Let's continue. The ratio of the number of boys who play the piano to the number of girls who do not play the piano is 11 to 3, a ratio here. So about girls. Play piano or they don't play piano. And for boys also, play piano and don't play piano. And the ratio of the number of boys who play the piano, boys play piano, to number of girls don't play piano, 11 to 3. So play 11x boys, and don't play, girls don't play piano, 3x. And number of girls here, 256. Number of boys here, 832. So, the number of girls who play piano must be 256 minus 3x. And the number of boys don't play piano will be 832 minus 11x, obviously. So continue. If there are 192 girls who do not play the piano, 3x equals 192. So 3x equals 192. X equals 192 divided by 3. 3, 6, 18, and 3, 4. 3 times 4, 12. Answer is 64. X equals 64. Next, express the number of boys who do not play the piano. So, we know 11x equals 64 times 11. 64 times 11, 704. And 832 minus 704 equals 128. 128 boys don't play piano. So, express the number of boys who don't play the piano. 128, as a fraction of the total number of the children who play the piano. Total number of children who play the piano. Play to 256 minus 192 plus 11x 704. Let us do this. 256 minus 192, 64. And 704 plus 704. Total number of students who play piano, 768. And the fraction, don't play, boys don't play, boys don't play. 128 divided by 768. We use a calculator as I mentioned before. Find the simplest form of the fraction. We use a calculator. Easier for us to do so. Divide by 768. Ta-da! 16. The answer to the question is here. 1/6 of the number of boys who do not play the piano to the total number of children who play the piano. We express this number as a fraction is 1/6. Answer here, 1/6. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.